Welcome everyone to JC Sports Cards 2014 Rookies and Stars box break. I'm going to go ahead and read off who has who. Dearborn Sports Cards with Redskins, Sports Cards 81 with Ravens, Dearborn with Jets and Chargers and 49ers, KTR with Saints, Cardboard Cards with Broncos and Cardinals, and Bears, Seahawks, Colts, Falcons, Astro Tyrant with Cowboys, C. Holiday with Steelers, Card Collector 2412 with Bengals, and I think Michigan Sports Cards is going to get Lions, but we'll see. Niall Davis with Chiefs, Lomely with Rams, Niall Davis with Patriots, Cardboard Cards with Eagles, KTR with Dolphins, KTR with Packers, Lomely with Titans, KTR with Vikings, Lomely with Panthers, All Pro with Browns, Lomely with Raiders, C. Holiday with Jags, Cardboard Cards with Texans, Bills, and Bucks, and the Giants are Autograph 79. Thanks for hanging in there through, this long process. I wish I could make it faster, but people don't send as fast as I'd want. So this is it. I left it in the box this time because Steel City, I've heard, has sometimes sent the wrong product. So I'm hoping that doesn't happen, but just in case. They do offer refunds. If it's the wrong product, at least. See, how am I going to get this open? There we go. There we go. Let's hope it's Rookies and Stars. And look, it is. There you go. Sent the right box. It's 24 packs, 8 per pack. Pretty sure it's 4 hits. I don't remember the exact makeup or whatever. Never done a break of this before. I've seen it. But, well, let's go. And if you guys will tell anyone who, asked on IG during the break, what my Ustream is or something, if you'll just tell them. And it will be on YouTube at some point after the break. Whenever I can get it loaded. There are your 24 packs or whatever. And again, the rules. All rookies and inserts, autos, any other parallels or whatever are shipped. Veteran base are not. And yeah, here we go. I'm pretty sure, I don't remember for sure, but I think the veteran are in the front. So we'll see. Yeah. Yeah, I'll just zip through the veteran McCown. They're all upside down. I remember that too. Greg Jennings. Calvin. Alright, here's the ship stuff. Jason Verrett. Gonna have to look on like all of these. I don't remember what's numbered and what's not. D'Anthony Thomas. My main man Taj Boyd. Scott Crichton. And Mike Evans. And the whatever this is that comes in every pack. I still have never figured out what those are for. Oh boy. Ace Foles. Darren McFadden. JJ Watt. There we go. Is this a hit? It is. It is your relic, Trey Mason. It's pretty shiny. It's cool. Not numbered. But first hit of the day, Trey Mason. Oh, wait, yeah, it is. They're on the bottom left. 7 out of 99. I guess that's the refractor, maybe? I don't know. Our first hit. I will recap the hits like I do in every break at the end. Marcus Smith, Kyle Fuller, Jerick McKinnon, Jadeveon Clowney. Let's see, who had the Rams? That would be Lomeli. Alright, veterans, Aldon Smith, Frank Gore, and Colin Kaepernick. Your insert is Super Bowl, Sylvester Williams. Never heard of him. These are pretty cool, though. Your rookies, Troy Nicholas, Tom Savage, Telvin Smith, and Stephen Tuitt. I guess everyone else went to sleep. I only have 4 viewers. Eric Decker, Ryan Tannehill. Ooh, please be an auto. It's the Crusades. Blake Bortles. I don't think those are numbered. No. That's a cool one. Blake Bortles, Crusades. Another insert. Pro Bowl. Eric Reed. There you go. And all your rookies. Got Dre Archer, David Fales, Cody Latimer, and Sammy Watkins. Alright. I am still planning on doing that Bowman whenever it fills. You can look at my page. I don't remember what teams are left. But you can see in the back there the 2 Bowman breaks I've done in the last month or so. They've been pretty good. Ryan Matthews, Ben Tate, Demaryius Thomas, your dummy, or whatever it's called. Super Bowl, Demaryius Thomas. That will be shipped. And your rookies, Mike Davis, Marcus Roberson, Coney Ely, and Jeremy Hill. I might do Inception too as the one after that. It's a lot cheaper than Topps Chrome, but they're 500 cards in Jumbo. And only like 3 hits. So, we got Stafford, Rashad Jennings, and, oh boy, you got Adrian Peterson, like upside down or whatever. And got our Crusades, Wes Welker. Okay. Here are the rookies. Jackson Jeffcoat, Dante Moncrief, Devontae Davis, gonna have a big year, and your retired rookie, Chris Portland, who's gonna be really good. I wish he wouldn't retired. Let's see. Demarius Moore, Andre Johnson, Chris Ivory, Marquise Lee. No, just a plain rookie. Bruce Ellington, good basketball player. I'll tell you that. There's that thing. See, Michael Sam, who also retired. Lewis Nix, and Khalil Mack. Only 1 hit so far. We got Trent Richardson, Keenan Allen, Jordan Cameron. This might be our next hit. It is Trent Murphy. I think he was a first-round pick for the Redskins. That would be... They're pretty cheap, I think. Yeah. The lowest team. Dearborn Sports Cards. Let's see. See a first round pick. 47th overall. So he was close. Trent Murphy is hit number 2. Jason Verrett, Jason Morrow, Devonta Freeman, and Darqueze Dennard. Okay. Got Peyton, Giovanni Bernard. It's getting a little blurry. See if it'll catch. Yeah, I guess phones don't catch. Victor Cruz. Your dummy. Bishop Sankey had an awful game tonight. Charles Sims. Brett Smith. Blake Bortles. And Logan Thomas. Oh, come on. Man, they wrapped this one good. Gosh. It's the hardest pack I've ever... There we go. Gosh. Matt Schaub. Aaron Foster. And could it be a hit? Nope. Crusades. Brandon Cooks. Draft Class 2014. Kyle Fuller. Kelvin Benjamin. He's on my fantasy team. And I'm really bummed. Jarvis Landry, Isaiah Crowell, and Derek Carr. Tore his ACL, I think. And that's why you do your draft after the preseason. Geno Smith, Hakeem Nicks, Phillip Rivers. Your all-pro is Eric Reed once again. Cyrus Kwanjo, Carlos Hyde, Brandon Coleman, and Bishop Sankey. Two hits. I think they're 4. So, hoping that they're going to show up. Marshawn Lynch, Richard Sherman, Russell Wilson, triple Seahawks there. Got Pierre Garcon. That's going to be shipped. I don't remember what this is exactly, but it's not a base card. I guess it's like the red shimmer or whatever. Rashad Hickman, Martavius Bryant. Oh, wrong side. Martavius Bryant, Marcus Joyner, and Jordan Matthews. I will send everyone a DM with what they got, if you can't remember. Josh Gordon, CJ Spiller, and Crusade. Yep. Jamal Charles. And a Super Bowl, Percy Harvin. Andre Williams. Kadeem Carey. And nothing. And Jared Alberdaris. And HaHa Clinics. AJ Green, Brandon Marshall, Bishop Sankey, or no, Sean Green. Looks a lot like Bishop Dez Bryant. And Deion Buchanan. Cyril Richardson. Calvin Pryor. And Brandon Cooks. It's a long break. Imagine doing tops. That would take forever. We got Sam Bradford, Mark Ingram, and Crusade, Carlos Hyde. Yeah. Greg Robinson, James the Fright White, Trent Murphy, Timmy Jernigan, and Teddy Bridgewater. Get a workout opening. Rookies and Stars. Bowman is like nothing. Oh my gosh. Promise I'll get it open. Cam Newton. Cordero Patterson. Alfred Morris. Oh, please. Oh my goodness. And there it is. If it's for KTR, I'm just going to give up with box breaks. It is for Cardboard Cards. Holy cow. And they hit big. They had the most teams. Man, I've hit big in my last 3. Oh my gosh. Is this numbered? No. Holy cow. This will be up on IG for sure. Jersey patch, Sammy Watkins. I knew I would hit some. Shane Scove, Paul Richardson, Marquise Lee, and Loxie Strut. Woo-hoo. What a big hit. I hope he's watching. I don't know. I haven't heard from him in a while. See, Eli, Kendall Wright, Crusade probably. Yeah. Phillip Rivers. Yeah, Rookies and Stars isn't as bad as I thought. Andre Williams, Johnny, Jalen Saunders, Ebron, and Tevin Reese. Zach Stacy, Percy Harvin, Andre Ellington. And your Crusade is Anquan Bolden, Taylor Lewan, Shaq Evans, OBJ, and Marion Grice. Still looking for one more hit. But we got the hit of the year already. Le'Veon Bell, Darrelle Revis, Andrew Luck. That's some sort of whatever the red insert is. Steven Jackson, that'll be shipped. Austin Seferian-Jenkins, Allen Robinson, Aaron Donald, and James Wilder Jr. Let's see here. We got Doug Martin, Julius Thomas, Robert Woods, and here, holy moly. And look who's the lucky guy of the break. Who had this? We had another tray. Look at that patch. Holy cow. This actually might be the best break out of the 3 that I've done this summer. This is out of 25, Trey Mason. Holy moly. Let's see. I'm forgetting who has the Rams. Lomely, holy cow. What a night for him. I just gotta feel it. Oh. Even though I hate the Rams. Still. Trey Mason. I vote we do Rookies and Stars again. It's cheap, and I'm pulling heat. Oh my word, what a night. Greg Robinson, Dee Ford, Connor Shaw, and CJ Mosley. That should be all the hits. Who knows? The last two Bowman have had a bonus. Andy Dalton, Jay Cutler, Crusades, D. Anthony Thomas, CJ Mosley, Bradley Roby, Anthony Barr, Maud Dixon, Aaron Murray. Had a really bad pick tonight. Like, really bad. Threw it right to the corner. Let's see. Michael Crabtree. Antonio Brown. Gronk. Kadeem Carey. AJ McCarron. Zach Martin. Zach Mettenberger. Okay, getting a little blurry again. And Xavier Su'a-Filo. 2 more packs. And this should be it. I can't believe I hit 2 Trey Mason relics. Same box. Jamal Charles. Vincent Jackson. Crusade is Darren McFadden. Draft class, CJ Mosley. There's that thing. Got Trey Mason, Terrence West, Storm Johnson, and Ryan Shazier. Last pack before the recap. What a really good break this has been. So pumped to do another one. Wes Welker. EJ Manuel, Alshon Jeffrey, let's see, DeMarco Murray, Pro Bowl, and the final rookies are Michael Campanera, LaDainian Washington, Josh Huff, and Iman Smallwood. That is it for 2014 Rookies and Stars, and it's been an amazing break. Here are the 4 hits. We got, probably the worst of them, Trent Murphy. And then, got our Trey Mason relic out of 99. Then, one of our big ones. Oh, I totally missed this on the Watkins. Watkins is out of 49. 20, what is that? 27 of 49. Whew. And the Trey Mason awesome Rams patch out of 25. Is that 8? Yeah. Man, those numbers are hard to see. Our 2 big hits of the night. Going out to Lonely, it's Trey, and Bills. Where are the Bills? Cardboard Cards. Woo-hoo. The big one. All right. Thanks again, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. It will be up on YouTube, JC Sports Cards, and I will send you pictures of what you got, and we will get it shipped out to you shortly. Let's try to fill that Bowman break, then maybe we'll try another Rookies and Stars. Thanks again. See you.